Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your bike instantly louder. Now I know this sounds a little crazy. I mean, who wants a louder bike? I mean, but hey, like they always say, louder equals more power, right? I mean, logical thinking here, guys. Alright, so what you gonna be needing is some duct tape and a bottle. This is a little protein jug, and I went and cut a little hole with I left the little flap thing still on there. But all you're gonna do is stick this thing on here like so and duct tape it up. I'll do a start up of what the bike sounds like without it. Alright, so here we go. Now, it ain't pretty by all means, but shoot, who needs a pretty exhaust when you're hauling butt on the motocross track? I mean, for closed course competition, you want a loud bike. I mean, louder equals more power. It ain't pretty like I see, but shoot, here's a start up. See what she's saying like now. Oh yeah, listen to all that power gain. Woo! Yep, that's probably about a 10 horsepower gain. Let's go take her out for a test drive. Alright, so here we go. Gonna be doing a test drive. I don't need my dirt bike gear on. Just need my helmet. Need some eye protection. Got some boots on in case I run into a tree or something out here in this field. Or I don't know, but hey, you gotta have my dirt bike jersey on. Gotta look like you're doing some kind of serious driving. I'm just testing a muffler out, but here we go. Good. Alright, so as you can see, putting this fart can on my bike gave it so much power that it blew my helmet off. Crazy stuff, man. Just throwing a household item on the back of your old bike made it have so much power. But I still got the inner baffle in right now. I'm going to take the inner baffle out and see what it does after. Alright, so I removed the inner baffle. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day, because you saw how much power it had before, and man, it's probably going to have double that amount now. I'm probably not going to be able to stop this thing when I take off. But here we go. Shoot! Listen to all that power. Yeah, I'll be real cool showing up to the motocross track like this.